What's the deal? 9:55 p.m. Wednesday, February 6th, and all the pot stocks are down. ACB is at negative 5.95. CGC is down 7.46. Kronos is down 11.5. Afria down 13%. EXO is down 4.7. Tilray is down 6.8. The ETF MG Alternative Harvest, MJ is down 6.18. And I'll show y'all what I did today. I managed to get another 19 cents off of Aurora. So yeah, I sold Aurora market sell 267 shares at $7.58. And I did try to buy it at $7.35, but it started going up. And then I tried to buy it at $7.48. It started going up again. So I did manage to buy 269 shares at $7.52. And then I sold those same 269 shares at $7.60. And I try to do a limit buy at $7.50 for 273 shares. And that didn't work out. So it didn't go that low during the time I was trying to buy. So I ended up buying 271 shares at $7.55. So I got a 19, like in total I got 19 cents off of my Aurora shares, and I went from 269 shares to 271 shares. And the only news that came out that related to the pot stocks that could have been a big factor in this pullback is the news about Afria. And I'll see if it comes out. Yeah, it's right here. And I'll just read some of this. I'll read this article real quick. And this is from Market Watch. Cannabis stocks fall across the board as Afria rejects bid, crackdown on CBD spreads. New York is the latest state to crack down on CBD as an additive in food and drinks. Cannabis stocks were mostly lower Wednesday, led by Afria Inc. after the company rejected a hostile bid from Green Growth Brands Inc. that it said significantly undervalues the company. Shares of the Canadian cannabis company Afria slid about 7% in early trade, while Green Growth was down 6%. Afria said that the bid offers its shareholders a substantial discount to its current and future value rather than a premium, and would effectively give Green Growth a 36% interest in Afria in exchange for share in a company with limited operations or other experience in the cannabis industry. Based on the 20-day volume-weighted average price of Green Growth shares before it announced the bid on January 22nd, the bid reflected a 23% discount to Afria's stock price over the same period. So yeah, Afria said its financial advisor Scotiabank agreed that the hostile bid is inadequate from a financial point of view to Afria's shareholders. Adding to the pressure on the sector was the news that New York City has become the latest state to crack down on edibles that includes CBD or cannabidiol, a non-psychoactive ingredient in cannabis that is widely held to have wellness properties. The Department of Health and Mental Hygiene is ordering restaurants under its jurisdiction not to sell food products that contain CBD, the New York Times reported. CBD has become a popular additive thanks to claims it can help alleviate disorders such as anxiety and depression, even though there has been very little scientific research to back those claims. The recently passed Farm Bill legalized commercial hemp, and their hopes it would also legalize CBD, but instead, regulation of the substance was passed to the Food and Drug Administration, which immediately published guidelines that said it would not allow CBD to be added to food or drinks without prior approval. That has left many companies with plans to sell CBD infused products in limbo, at least for now. Most of the big cannabis players were planning to expand into oils and edibles, but the FDA has already raided and seized CBD products from a shop in Arizona, according to Canna Law blog. Rob DePisa, co-chair of the cannabis law group at law firm Cole Schatz, said the market is waiting for greater clarity on how the FDA will regulate the sector as the initial guidelines are vague. Craziness. So yeah, I mean, I think the market will most likely be red again tomorrow. This pot sector, but we'll see what's up tomorrow. I have 271 shares. Average cost $7.55. It's 99.8% of my portfolio. $2,013 equity value. I'm up 16.3% all time. Past year, I'm up 26.3. Past 3 months, I am down 15.8. Past month, I am up 45%. Past week, I am up 11.6. Today, I'm down roughly 4%. Roughly 4%. ACB is down 5.95. So it's about, I managed to get about 1.5% better price than what I had on Aurora Cannabis. So yeah, that's it, y'all. If you're new, subscribe. You won't be let down. And that's it, y'all. Peace out.